Alas is back. Mag-uukay-ukay tayo. Nandito po tayo sa Makati Square. Papunta po doon ay Makati. Papunta po rito sa kabila, papuntang MRT station. Ito po yung Makati Square. Papasukin natin ang loob ng mall ng Makati Square. Ukay-ukay. Thank you. Alas back in. Ito po yung ukay-ukay shoes. Sa may ground floor. Katabi niya ay fast food. Ito lang po ang ukay-ukay shoes. Alas in. Anta shoes, size 9, price 18, 50%. Anta shoes, size 9. Okay guys, Reebok, size 9, price 980. Reebok. Okay. Adidas shoes, Daniel, 50%. Daniel shoes, size 9. Okay. Nike shoes, good condition, may heel drag, 1.4. Price 1.4, 50%. Nike shoes, fashion shoes, size 8, price 880, 50%. Fashion shoes, size 8. Nike shoes, price 880, 50%. Nike shoes. Adidas MMD, size 8, price 12, 50%. Adidas MMD. Anta shoes, 1 to 50%. Size 9, Anta. NBA, Anta. Leaning shoes, size 8.5, price 1 to 50%. Leaning shoes. Anta shoes, size 9, price 1.4, 50%. Anta shoes. Air Force 1, price 1 to 50%. Air Force 1, size 9. Nike. Russell Westbrook, size 8.5, may heel drag lang, 1.6. Russell Westbrook, Nike. Shoes Peak, price 1.6. Shoes Peaks, size 9.5. Shoes Peaks, model shoes, 1.6, 50%. Adidas Stan Smith, price 1.2. Hello guys, tapos na po tayo dito sa ukay-ukay shoes sa may ground floor. Dilipat po tayo. Okay. Alas back. Second ukay-ukay. Ito po yung pangalan. Ito po yung fast food. Pasukin na natin tong second na ukay-ukay, guys. In. Guys, ito po yung Nike triple double na black. All black. Size 9.5, price 1.4, 20% discount. Nike Air Bubble. Nike shoes, size 9, price 1.2. Nike Air Bubble. Nike Off-White, Air Flight, size 7, price 1.6, 20% discount. Adidas size 8, price 1.4, 20% discount. Adidas shoes. Kevin Durant, Nike, good condition, price 1.8, 20% discount. Kevin Durant, size 9.5. Michael Jordan, size 10. Nike shoes. May heel drag, 1.2. Good condition. Discount 20%. Reebok, size 9. Price 1.4. 20%. Reebok. Adidas, size 8. Good condition. 1.6. Adidas shoes. Adidas triple black. May club po to. Adidas shoes. Size 8.5. Size 8.5. Price 1.4. Kyrie Irving shoes. Okay. Nike shoes. Price 1.2. Size 8. Nike shoes. Air Flight. Good condition. 1.2. Michael Jordan, size 8. Price 1.6. 20% discount. Nike, Michael Jordan. Air Force 1, price 1.2. Air Force 1, triple white. Size 7. Air Force 1. Anta shoes. Klay Thompson, price 1.8. Good condition. May ilarag ng konti. Klay Thompson, 20%. 1.6. 1.8. Klay Thompson, 20%. LeBron James, Nike. Size 9. Price 1.8. LeBron James, Nike. Leaning shoes, size 8. Price 1.2. Leaning. Good condition. Leaning shoes, 20%. 1.2. Nike Air Bubble. Price 1.4. Size 8. 20% discount. Nike Air Flight. Michael Jordan. Price 1.8. Good condition. Michael Jordan. Nike Air Flight. 1.8. 20% discount. New Balance. Size 10. Pang hiking. New Balance. Price 2.4. New Balance shoes. Anta shoes. Price 1.2. 20%. Anta shoes. Good condition. Size 9.5. Anta shoes. 20%. Anta shoes. Adidas shoes. Size 9. Price 1.2. Adidas shoes. Anta shoes. Size 9. Price 880. 20% discount. Anta shoes. Skechers. Size 9.5. Price 1.4. Good condition. Skechers. Anta shoes. Price 1.2. 20%. Size 9.5. Anta shoes. Okay. Anta shoes. Size 9.5. Price 1.4. 20% discount. Anta shoes. Okay. Adidas. Size 10. Price 1.2. Adidas. 20%. 1.2. Okay. New Balance. Price 880. 20% discount. New Balance. Adidas shoes. Price 1.4. Size 9. Guys, tapos na po tayo na mag-ukay-ukay shoes. Ito na po yung nila, ukay-ukay. Maraming salamat po, ma'am, sir. Alas back. Ito po yung Makati Square Mall. Ito po yung papuntang MRT Station. Ito po yung papuntang Makati. Ito po yung Makati Square Mall. Nandyan po sa loob ang ukay-ukay. Alas. Thank you.